Hi, so today is the end of 6th of July, and I have been told to do a technical analysis on IEX, that's the Indian Energy Exchange. So let's have a look into a daily chart. So here you can see I have drawn some lines, and this is basically the all-time high, and then it dipped, took a support, and then it made another all-time high, and then it dipped. And this dip was mainly because of some block deals which happened where some stakes were being sold. So you can see that since February there was a very good trend line, and this is right now acting like a resistance. So if we go for a hourly chart, and if we try, or rather if we go for a 2 hours chart, so here we will see that once this breakdown from the channel happened, so then eventually it was never, so since this time, that's on 26th of March, it was not able to enter the channel. So multiple times it has got a resistance in these so today also it went towards 402, and then a sell-off came. And also multiple times, if I actually make so this one, this one, so multiple times it's trading in this very narrow channel, and this is basically the middle of the channel. Basically you can see that whenever it goes above this midline, you are selling automatically or comes, and within 2-3 candles it actually reverses, and this has been ongoing since the time it broke this main channel support, this one. So going forward, I think one of the good things which is happening right now, and maybe tomorrow is a very crucial day for IEX, is if it is able to hold the ground, because normally whenever it comes over here, selling comes up and then it goes and touches. So from going forward, even if it falls, it will try to get a support at 380 levels, and I would be real. It would be really very much be of interest to me if it is able to close above this channel, because if you look into a daily chart, which means that after this breakdown it has always faced this particular support line, so now it's acting like a resistance. Multiple times it has taken resistance, and now if it is able to close over here, then going forward I think closing above 408, 410 is definitely a very good news for the bulls in IEX, and this is definitely one of the good companies which you can always buy in dips and hold it for a medium term. Say for example, going forward, the structure of IEX and the selling which came over here, that had a volume, but if you see that till now there has been not a very significant sell-off. So even if after touching, you can see after it tries to move in the upper half, this half, it always within 7 5 6 7 candles, that's within a session, it always reversed, and then it went and touched, always took support in the slow end. I tweeted about making positions in over here, because it was just in the channel support, and I said that maybe it will get support, and this is exactly what happened with in 377, 375, 376 levels, and from there it was able to give a very good move towards 402 today. So things really look not that bad. The only thing is more in terms of 400 is a psychological level, and so closing above 400 and would be a really good thing, especially if it is able to enter the channel. Hope this analysis is going to help you, and no matter what, even if it fails, even if it starts falling, so just try to keep 388. That would be a very crucial zone to track, and because you can see 388 is this level, and this level has been, if you look, a very simple, so basically this level. Let me change the color if it's possible. Okay, yeah, so let me so Okay, so it's actually so basically you can get it. Let me use this one, horizon trend line. Perfect. So you can see this particular level, and this is nothing but round about at 390. So even if we shift it a little bit downwards, say here, this looks pretty good. So here you can see this was a previous resistance, and it was not able to cross it, and now it crossed this with a very good volume, and now it's trying to get a support round about at 389. If the levels of 388 are breached, then theoretically it can come and very well touch here. But no matter what, I will be more optimistic given this particular move, and maybe in a very short term it will be able to close above in this particular zone of 406, 407. If that happens, then that means from the daily chart you can see it means that it has entered the channel, and once it enters the channel, then eventually it will try to move towards 430 and 440 regions. Hope this analysis is going to help you in evaluating your next move in IEX, and as usual, please consult your financial advisor for any investment and for any trading related queries. Thank you.